Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan. How to set up DMARC authentication. On top you see notification. Now open this link. Now you see how to set up DMARC authentication. Scroll down. Then you see use our DMARC wizard to create your DMARC record. So you can add your domain. So we added our domain and then click on next button. Then you can select option according to your requirement. You see three options: none, quarantine, reject, and then click on next. So you can add your email. So we added this email and then finish record. Now you see your DMARC record type TXT. So you can add this TXT record in your hosting and you will find this record in video description or in comment section. Now go to notepad. So you can add none, quarantine, reject according to your requirement, and then you see mail to. So you can add your email, remaining same, back to hosting. Now copy this, go to hosting, and then you see add record. So click on it and then select TXT record, refer to other host. Now host name underscore DMARC. Now add TXT value and then select TTL and then click on add. Now DNS record added. Now refresh the page, scroll down. Now you see we added TXT record for DMARC. Now go to account and refresh the page. So we will wait and then refresh the page again. Now go to record again. DNS propagation for DMARC policy can take anywhere from 10 seconds to 24 hours. Now you see our issue is fixed after some time, and on top you don't see any error. Our DMARC issue fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.